Lost in the digital woods. See the future, it looks so good. Feel the power raining down. In the airdrop forest, our new ground. Airdrop forest!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete Dawn airdrop guide, step by step. Dawn is a decentralized wireless network project, and they've been running a points-based incentive program that could potentially convert into a token airdrop. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, make sure you watch until the end. Let's dive in. So first, what exactly is Dawn? Dawn stands for Decentralized Autonomous Wireless Network. It's a project focused on building a decentralized internet infrastructure. Think of it as a community-powered network where users contribute bandwidth and get rewarded for it. The project has received backing from notable investors in the crypto space, which makes this airdrop opportunity even more interesting. They've introduced a point system where users can earn points by running the Dawn extension and completing various tasks. These points are expected to play a role when the token launches. All right, let's get started with the registration process. Step 1. Open your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and go to the official Dawn website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Step 2. Click on Sign Up or Get Started. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Some versions may require you to connect a wallet. If so, use MetaMask or any compatible wallet. Step 3. Check your email inbox for a verification link. Click on it to verify your account. Step 4. Once verified, log into your Dawn dashboard. You should see your points balance and available tasks. Now, the most important part, installing the Dawn browser extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Dawn Validator extension. Make sure you're downloading the official one. Always double-check the developer name to avoid scams. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once installed, you'll see the Dawn icon in your browser toolbar. Click on it and log in with the same credentials you used during sign-up. Once you're logged in, the extension will start running in the background. It basically shares a small portion of your unused internet bandwidth and earns you points passively. That's right, you earn points just by keeping it running. Now let's talk about how to maximize your points. First, keep the extension running as much as possible. The longer it stays active, the more points you accumulate. It's completely passive. You don't need to do anything extra. Second, check your dashboard regularly for bonus tasks. Dawn occasionally rolls out social tasks, like following their Twitter, joining their Discord, or retweeting announcements. Each completed task gives you extra points. Third, use the referral system. Dawn has a referral program where you earn bonus points for every friend who signs up using your link. Share it on social media, in crypto groups, or with your friends. Fourth, some users run the extension on multiple devices to increase their earnings. If you have a laptop and a desktop, consider running it on both with the same account. But always check the official rules to make sure multi-device usage is allowed. Before we wrap up, here are some important tips and warnings. Number 1. Only download the extension from the official Chrome Web Store. There are fake versions out there designed to steal your data. Number 2. Never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone claiming to be from the Dawn team. Number 3. Keep your extension updated. The team pushes regular updates that may include new features or bug fixes. Number 4. Remember, there's no guarantee of a token airdrop. Points-based systems are promising, but nothing is confirmed until the team makes an official announcement. Always do your own research. And that's it! You're now fully set up to farm Dawn Points. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future airdrop guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, stay safe and happy farming.